wanted to welcome the kids from Chong Park. They're from my district. Last year, we were able to save some of the daycare slots. Do you love your daycare? Yeah, right? So we got to save it again. We have to tell the mayor. All of you have to help us. Tell the mayor. He cannot do this. We will not go backward. We cannot go back to the day of latchkey kids. Okay? When the parents and the kids had to go through a lot of emotional stress because there's no one there, there's no after-school program. We will not go back to the days when I know parents have to bring their young child to a garment factory because there were no daycare. We are not going to go back because we are going to make sure we work together and we fight not just to preserve all the slots. When we talk about 47,000, we're not talking about the thousands of kids who's been waiting to get a slot, okay? So we got to make sure every child who needs daycare and after-school program gets it. The money is there. Today at the hearing, we talked about it. I also represent Wall Street. We got to collect the tax from the well-to-do, from those millionaires. They're spending their money on buying all these luxury stuff. We need to make sure we spend our tax dollar on our programs for children. So the fight has just begun, all right? And we will win this fight.